Bonjour! Moi, je suis trop content de lire ton message. I cannot believe my videos have reached Egypt. Wow, c'est incroyable.
I wanted to take your comment and turn it into a mini French lesson.
I'm going to start with how do we say I live in XYZ country. So you live in Egypt. In French, we say j'habite en Égypte. J'habite en Égypte. Some of you might be wondering, why is it en Égypte? Isn't it au? Well, in French, when you want to say, I live in whatever country, it's either au or en. But in this scenario, we use en because Egypt is feminine. When it comes to countries, most, not all, but most of the countries ending with e at the end are feminine. J'habite en Russie, j'habite en Chine, j'habite en France. So those countries you say en, but in the case of countries that don't end in e, most of the time they are with o. So for example, j'habite au Canada, j'habite au Brésil, j'habite au Peru. Wow, I'm really favoring the Latin American countries today. J'habite au Chad. But then you have au Mexique. Mexique ends with an E, but it is masculine. This is one of the very few exceptions of the rule. Same thing with the country Cambodge, le Cambodge, which is Cambodia. So you would say j'habite au Mexique. So now we know that O is for masculine countries, except for this additional rule.
And I know French is so annoying in this way. We have so many exceptions and all these rules, but
If a country starts with a vowel, like Iran, Afghanistan, those countries will also use en instead of o. So you would say en Iran, en Afghanistan. There are not many of those countries in the world, but that is the exception. I know for a lot of people, a lot of learners, this is really confusing. But with time, if you listen to the news a lot, if you listen to, people talk about where they're from or where they live en français, I assure you, you will get the hang of it. It's very overwhelming, but actually, it really isn't. And when it comes to a city, you are most likely saying ah. And the very last thing is you said you're from South Sudan. You can say je suis sud-soudanais, or the feminine version, je suis sud-soudanaise. This one is very similar to South African. The masculine is sud-africain and the feminine is sud-africaine. Hope this helps you, and the next time you are now able to say je suis sud-soudanaise et j'habite en Égypte, you're gonna speak French like a pro.